Hello friends, this is Chef Sheetal Banjari and welcome to my show Eat, Cook and Love. Today we're going to cook the prawn curry rice. Not only is it delicious, complete, satisfying, nutritious meal to eat, it happens to be my favorite recipe. So let's start with the prawn curry rice. Curry rice is not just a flavor bomb for your taste buds, but it's also a very nourishing meal. It's very quick to make, requires basic household ingredients. So let's start with the prawn curry rice. So here I'm using about 600 grams of Indian prawn, Indian white prawns. They are also called the Indicus prawn or the Tugela prawns, but we call them the Indian white prawns. They are tastier, I prefer using them. I have cleaned them, deveined them, and I like to leave this tail bit in the curry. So you can use any other kind of prawn, you can even use shrimps if you like to. Then here I need about 1 onion chopped. There is about 1 tomato I'm using. There are about 8 to 9 red chilies. There are about a few garlic pods. And this is the main ingredient. This is coconut. This is grated coconut. Then a few spices, red chili powder, some coriander for garnish, turmeric. These are coriander seeds. Then this is interesting. This is trifle. This spice has got a sour and a spicy flavor. It's extremely nutritious as well to use it. So I like to use it in my seafood curries usually. So in my grinder, I'm going to put onions. Then I'm going to put 1 tomato. So then I'm going to put these red chilies. So I had kept them to soak in water so that they are softer when you're grinding them. I'm going to add these to my grinder. Then here comes my grated coconut. Then I'm going to add in some turmeric. This is a very simple and quick and easy to make recipe. Here goes our trifle. I'm going to put about 5 to 6 of these. We don't put too much of this. 5 to 6 are enough for this recipe. So I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds. Some salt to taste. And here goes in our garlic. So I do like to add in some coconut oil here into this, so it helps the blending as well. And here you go. But you need this texture, okay? We are ready to go. Our pot is nice and hot. I'm going to pour coconut oil. You can use any oil, vegetable oil. I like using coconut oil in this recipe. I'm going to add some curry leaves. Now I'm going to add my curry paste. Adding some water to my grinder. I don't want to waste any of the spices in here, any of the masala. You do that. Water in there. So I've done this. I would like to add some water at this stage and let my curry paste cook nicely. Let it simmer. You can smell and taste your salt. There is one thing about cooking and the salt in your food. You don't really need to taste it. You can smell it and you know if your salt is right, isn't it? Now we add our coca. Flavor to this curry. Now while this curry is close to being done, when it's half cooked, halfway through cooked, we can add our prawns in there. Okay, we do not want the prawns, I'm not adding it at this stage is because I do not want the prawn to be overcooked. So when you overcook the prawns, when the prawns are overcooked, they tend to turn rubbery. We do not want that. For prawns to cook, it's about 8 to 10 minutes. So what I do is I let this cook halfway and then I add in my prawns to that and let it further cook on slow flame for another 8 minutes. So I'm going to now add my prawns to this curry. To add some water, you can add it. So I've added some more water to this. Here our prawn curry is almost ready. I'm going to plate it now. This is my platter. I have this steamed rice here. It's plain steamed rice, and in my bowl I'm going to plate my prawn curry. You put the prawn in first. So I'm going to put in some coconut oil. Coconut oil is hot, so the oil is hot. At this stage you bring it here on the side and then add in your red chili powder. This is how it's going to be. Just give it one stir and just put it on. Burnt garlic, I love the flavor of garlic on this rice. Put some coriander leaves on this. Some coriander leaves can come on the rice. So here you go, your prawn curry rice is ready, looking extremely delicious, mouth-watering, and the aroma of it is like, I just can't stop drooling over this. So I hope you enjoyed watching the recipe as much as I enjoyed cooking it with you. So try the recipe and let me know in the comments how you like it. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment on my channel. This is Sheetal Banjari for you. Take care guys.